RoboPete. My James D.
Still one more question. David Ed is here.
What a great sunny morning. Pete can't wait to go. He can't wait to play baseball with his friends. Do you want to play catch, PX Larry? I guess it's Larry. I go to the library. Oh, it's kind of wish. No. Do you want to play catch, PX Kelly? I was about to go for the bike ride, says Kelly. Do you want to play catch, PX John? I can't right now, says John. I need to paint the fence. Do you want to play catch, PX Jill? I got this. Pete wishes his friends would do what he wants to do. It's no fun Pete catching all by himself. If only I knew about it. Pete thinks. Hey, like that? Pete is a great idea. Pete builds a robot. It's broken to be just like him. Welcome to the world, RoboPete. Pete says to his robot, "You're my new best friend. We do everything together." "I want to play catch," says Pete. "Great idea," says RoboPete. Hey, what's going? Pete and RoboPete play catch. "Whoa," says Pete, running after the ball. "You sure can real far." RoboPete throws fodder. Two. "Time out," says Pete, and he's trying to catch his breath. "Let's play something else. I want to play whatever you want to play." RoboPete says proudly. "How about to play hide and seek?" says Pete. "That would be fun," says RoboPete. Pete finds the best hiding place ever. He's sure RoboPete will never find him. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shouts RoboPete. "Ready or not, here I come." "Gotcha," shows RoboPete, Taggy Pete. "Hey, how did you find me?" says Pete. "Well, my holy device," says RoboPete. "I can't find anyone anywhere." "Okay, hide and seek," says Pete. "Let's play something tough." Pete teaches RoboPete how to play a song he made. "You have to feel the music," Pete explains. "Okay," says RoboPete. "To feel it, I need to play loud," explains RoboPete. Pete tried to stop RoboPete, but RoboPete can't hear him over the noise. "This is fun," says RoboPete. "This is awful," says Pete the cat. "Okay," says RoboPete. "Let's find a skateboard instead." Before Pete can answer, RoboPete transforms into the marvel skateboard with super speed wheels. "Let's go!" RoboPete shouts. "Wait, halt, Pete!" Pete chases after RoboPete. He has no idea where RoboPete is going. RoboPete crashes into a sand patch and ends at the playground. "Alright, okay, Pete exits his robot. "I'm a robot. I'm inaccessible," says RoboPete. "What is the strange place?" "It's a playground," says Pete. He waves to his friend. "This is RoboPete," he says to Callie. "Larry and John." "I made him himself." "Cool," says Larry. "We are going to help John finish PT," says Callie. "And then we are going back riding. I want to go on this slide," says RoboPete. RoboPete want to help by first Pete the fence. Pete tells his robot. Pete the fence. RoboPete says, I can put it to Pete much faster than anyone. Pete and his friends try to help, but RoboPete paints too fast. So instead, they ride bikes and they read books. And after RoboPete is done painting, they help him clean the brushes. Pete realizes that it doesn't matter what they do, just be with your friends is what makes it fun. The end!